Hi, I'm Jonathan, co-founder at Peergos, where we want to build the private web. We live in an age where technology allows everyone to create, store, and share digital content. However, what technology fails to do is share that data securely and privately. I want to ask you to think about the last few times you sent a document to someone. I'm willing to bet that at least one of those times, you paused for a second and thought, maybe I should be more careful with this. And then, like everyone else, you attached it to an email and just hit send. Maybe you did think about encryption, but got overwhelmed by the technical complexity of it all. You are not alone. Consumers are faced with a false trade-off that somehow online privacy and security comes at the cost of convenience and productivity. The cost of that trade-off is substantial, and it's growing. Javelin Strategy and Research reported that in 2017, identity theft and fraud cost US consumers $16 billion. But it's not just a monetary cost we face. Information about you and your online activity, including what you view, share, and with whom, is constantly being collected. Ask yourself, what could that cost you if that information, taken out of context, ended up in the hands of future employers, insurers, banks, or governments? Let me introduce our solution, Peergos. From login to uploads, sharing, reading a PDF, or streaming a video, everything you do in Peergos is secured with quantum computer-resistant end-to-end encryption, so you know all your data is kept safe. Our decentralized architecture means that your credentials are only ever stored on your device, so there's no central server that can be compromised. Finally, your privacy is further safeguarded since we don't collect metadata. All of this in our simple browser client. Uploading is as simple as drag and drop. Our cryptographic design and implementation have been audited by Cure53, a world-leading security firm. We've also received funding from Protocol Labs, huge innovators in the distributed web space and the creators of the interplanetary file system. And most recently, we were awarded a grant by NGI Pointer, an EU Horizon 2020 initiative to identify and support the most talented people building the future of the internet and web. And we've already started building. We launched our alpha to a small group of 1,200 users to focus on customer experience and product development. With what we've learned from our alpha, we're set to launch our limited beta to really dig into our customer base and develop our product further into something that they don't just trust, but that they love. Our first product offering will be a subscription plan offering 50 gigs of secure and private storage for £5 per month. But Peergos is so much more than storage. It's a platform for the next web, a private web. Our plan is to release an API and sandbox which will enable developers to create, host, and deploy their own applications on Peergos with all the security and privacy features that we've created built in from the start. Peergos wants to make online privacy and security feel as natural and as easy as locking the front door to your house. If you want to be a part of making this happen, we'd love to hear from you. Please reach out to us, even if it's just for a chat. Thank you for your time.